Hey, look.
Yeah, guys, it's now officially week 6, that I have this nasty cough. I've been to the hospital 2 times, and I've gotten all types of prednisone, antibiotics. First they said it was allergy, asthma. I turned to bronchitis. Now they don't know what it is. We can't figure it out. I think I need a CT scan, right? Not just an x-ray. But it's really taken over my life completely. Mentally, emotionally, physically, I am a disaster. Why are you looking at me like that, husband? So, yeah, I'm hacking up nasty stuff coming out my nose to help. They're saying I have no pneumonia and bronchitis is clear. So, like, what is it exactly that I have? Because I can't take it anymore. So, SOS, if anyone has any remedies or something to clear up coughing, asthma, anything.